1,000 trekkers were stranded in the Karma Valley on Tibetan side of Mount Everest after a blizzard struck. Nearly 1,000 trekkers were struck. Visitors to the remote valley of Karma, which leads to the eastern Kangshung face of Everest, were in the hundreds this week, taking advantage of an 8-day National Day holiday in China. So far, rescuers have guided 350 trekkers to safety in Kudang, and contact has been established with 200 others. Heavy snowfall, thunder and lightning began on Friday and continued through Saturday at an altitude of over 4,900 meters. 2 men and a woman in the group fell victim to hypothermia when the temperature slipped below freezing, even though they were sufficiently attired. It was unclear if trekkers near the north face had been affected or not. Hundreds of rescuers headed up the mountain on Sunday to clear paths and bring down trapped people. Ticket sales and entry to the Everest scenic area have been suspended. Karma Valley, first explored by Western travelers a century ago, is a relatively pristine part of the Everest region. Unlike the peak's north face, it boasts lush vegetation and untouched alpine forests, fed by meltwaters from the Kangshung Glacier at the foot of the mountain. The north face, due to its easy access by paved road, regularly draws large numbers of tourists. October is a peak season, when skies usually clear at the end of the monsoon in India.